Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the blockages in your path right now. What is blocking your path? What are the energies which are blocking your path, Aquarians? And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. We have the moon, the 5 of swords, and the 4 of pentacles. So Aquarius, there is a lack of clarity in a situation. There has been a fight, there has been an argument here. The people have, it's sort of disruption of teamwork perhaps, okay, or disruption of friends, a group, a collaboration, whatever it is, and you really don't know what's going on. There is a lack of clarity in it. You are really thinking about it, but the thing is, you're not able to do much because you really don't know what's going on in the situation, and maybe you don't even know the cause of this fight perhaps. So for whatever the reason, you are closed off, you're totally closed off, you're holding on to it, you are not doing much, or I should say you're not doing anything to sort of amend it. So the lack of clarity in a situation in which there has been a disruptive energy. It's like teammates leaving each other, it can be friends leaving, family leaving, whatever it is. So whatever the argument was, it was just because somebody wanted to have their own way, somebody wanted to impose their own decisions, sort of, and because of that there has been a disruption. Okay, there is some sort of a you really perhaps don't know who did it for you, or you did it, why you did it, what happened actually. You really don't know what the exact scenario is. Okay, and that is why you are just keeping to your own self, you're not doing much about it, you have just left it to time perhaps. Okay, and that is what it says. There is no lack of, there is lack of initiative, there is no progress, you are not doing anything about it, so you are still sitting in the same energy. Okay, since you are not able to sort it out, you are not able to find out or go into the depth of this situation or rectify this situation, you are not even able to come out of it, and because of that, or you are holding on to this fight. It can be that also, maybe you are holding on to this fight, and it's like, okay, I'm done with this and I don't want to deal with it. It can be that also, but maybe this was something significant in your life. Maybe this team, this collaboration, this person was something significant in your life, and if you sort it out, whatever this energy is, then maybe you are able to have things much lighter and much better in your life, and they may help in your progress. So Aquarians, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.